Python exceptions are errors that occur when a program is running, causing that program to stop. Think of them like a flag that tells you something's really gone wrong. When a Python exception occurs, Python creates an exception object, and if you write code to handle that exception, the program can continue. Otherwise, it stops and prints out an error message. Now, we can think of errors in Python in three broad categories: syntax errors, runtime errors that are found by the Python interpreter, and logic errors that might not throw an exception, but also might produce the wrong result. Some exceptions, like syntax errors, can be caught immediately by the code editor with syntax highlighting. They're usually marked by a squiggly line or color changes. Other exceptions, such as runtime errors, only show up after you run your code, and these can pop up as an error message from the Python interpreter in the traceback. And then there are logic errors, where the code will run without producing any errors or exceptions, but it'll give the wrong results. This can be really hard to fix. By understanding these different types of errors, you'll be able to reduce the amount of unproductive time you spend investigating and trying to fix code. Not only that, but the code that you do write will be far more robust and able to handle exceptions elegantly.